Unroll the piece of leather. Take the instruction manual and gather the needed supplies. Choose the size of the bag. In this tutorial, we will make the large bag. Look closely at the linear shades. They each have a color. Look for the lines that are represented by the symbols that define the size of the bag you've chosen. Cut with a sharp Stanley knife along the outside of the linear shades indicated with those symbols. Beware, don't cut off the shaded parts. They are part of the chosen bag. Once the shape is cut out, place the double-sided tape onto the linear shading. Beware, always place the tape with the protection layer upwards. Cut the tape according to the shading. Take the iron. Iron without steam and at maximum temperature. To keep the tape in place, press with the tip of the iron along the length of the double-sided tape for about 5 seconds. Once in place, iron with only a little pressure for a minute, moving the iron sufficiently. Stop ironing when the tape gets soft and the leather feels hot when touching. Wait until it feels cold when touching, leaving the protection layer on. Repeat this for all of the linear shades. Now choose a random shade and iron the protection layer until it's hot. Immediately remove the hot protection layer from the chosen shade. Place the length with the same symbol on top of the shade, so the shade is hidden underneath. Iron the two lengths onto each other at maximum temperature. You can work from the end of the ironing board. You should iron both sides of the leather. Make sure the corners are firmly attached. Let it cool down. You can continue doing this for every matching symbol, which is 4 times. You have obtained the shape of the bag. If you don't like the height of the bag, you can cut some centimeters off. If you like it, just continue. Make the handles. First, cut out the handles that you prefer. Place something hard directly under the piece you want to perforate. This can be a cutting board, a piece of wood, or anything that can't be perforated. Place the leather with the symbol on top of it. and place the hollow pen tool onto the symbol. Now hit the back of the pen tool with a hammer. See if you punctured the leather and made a hole. Then perforate the indicated symbols on the bag, or perforate wherever you want to place the handles, using the perforations of the handles as reference. To attach the handles, open the studs by unscrewing them. Place the screw from the inside of the bag into the perforated hole. You'll see the screw emerging from the leather. Lay the perforated hole of the handle on top of it. Close the stud by screwing the stud onto the screw. Do this for every perforated hole. To close the sides of the bag for reinforcement, measure where you would like to place the studs, perforate them, and place them. It's up to you to choose the size of the closure. Here, the length of the bag is used as a reference. Take the measurements. Draw them as a rectangular shape onto a piece of leather. Cut it out. Then try it on the bag before going to the next step. Measure and perforate the shape wherever you desire the studs. Use these perforations as a reference to perforate the bag. Place the stud from the inside of the bag. Place the closure. Close the stud by screwing. To attach the closure to the bag, now place the studs on the front side of the bag. To close the bag, you can't push the leather over the studs. Make 4 incisions of 2 mm around the perforation. Your bag is now finished. Try and fold it in all sorts of shapes and have fun with the handles. Play with the remaining leather, the studs, folding, creating your own bag with extras. Please post your bag on our Facebook page, and for more information, visit our website www.instructedbag.com.